Number 7, click on the carbon atom that should be designated as number 1 when naming the compound systematically. So I'm going to draw this out here. Let me draw it out straight here. So I have a pentagon bonded to some CH3 here. It's going to be bonded to CH2, CH3. It's bonded to CH3. And it says which of these 5 carbons will I choose first? So it's either this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one, right? Well, in this case, I'm looking at the parent chain here is simply the cyclo. This is a cyclopentane chain, right? So I have 5 of them here, which is actually, this here is false, right? So this is not a cyclobutane. It's actually a cyclopentane here. I have 5 carbons. And it says here, the carbon atom that should be designated as number 1 when naming the compound systematically. Well, I have to simply just look at my functional groups, right? Or my alkyl chains. This here is a methyl group. This here is also a methyl group. And this here is an ethyl group. So which one takes priority? Well, the ethyl one takes priority, right? So this one should be number 1. And if I were to continue naming this, I would go this way instead of this way, right? I want to minimize the number. So I want to go number 2. This here would be 3, 4, and 5 here. So if I were to name this is actually 1 ethyl, and then 2,4-dimethyl cyclopentane. And that's how you would name this compound here. So this solution is actually the wrong solution for this compound here. So solution is incorrect, is not for the right solution, not for the right question. So I can say that the carbon atom that should be designated as number 1 should be the carbon attached to the ethyl group. That's it. And then I want to also name this guy, right? So I said that the naming here is, so I can say 1 ethyl. This would be, I have 2,4-dimethyl, so 2,4, and then I have 2 methyl groups, so 2,4-dimethyl, and then this here is a cyclopentane. So this here is my naming for this kind of compound here. So again, 1 ethyl here, 2,4-dimethyl, and then cyclopentane is my parent chain here. The naming for this compound is 1 ethyl, 2,4-dimethyl, cyclopentane. This solution is not correct because they actually gave me the incorrect solution for the problem here.